Changing your primary email on Discover Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discover Bank website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section, usually found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ESER to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Always keep your contact information up to date for security and communication purposes.